Hello, enthusiast. Welcome to Goodness Nature, where we uncover the healing power of nature, one remedy, one superfood, and one healthy habit at a time. Let's explore the goodness nature has to offer your mind, body, and soul. Feeling overwhelmed? Let nature steep your stress away. In a world of non-stop notifications, to-do lists, and overstimulation, it's no surprise that many of us feel wired, tired, anxious, or emotionally drained. But before reaching for pills or pushing through the pressure, consider something gentle, ancient, and deeply healing: herbal tea. For thousands of years, herbal infusions have been used to calm the nervous system, soothe emotional tension, and restore inner balance. In this Goodness Nature episode, we'll explore 7 of the most effective stress-relieving teas, how they work, when to use them, and how to craft your own relaxing tea ritual at home. Let's begin with your first sip of serenity. 1. Chamomile, the classic calmer. Chamomile is perhaps the most well-known herbal tea for relaxation, and for good reason. This gentle flower contains apigenin, a compound that binds to GABA receptors in the brain, promoting sleepiness and reducing anxiety. Benefits include eases mild anxiety and emotional restlessness, helps with insomnia and nighttime tension, calms the digestive tract, especially when stress causes bloating or cramps. Best time to drink: in the evening before bed. Tip: steep covered for 10 minutes to preserve the oils. Add honey or lemon for added comfort. 2. Tulsi, holy basil, the sacred adaptogen. Tulsi, also called holy basil, is revered in Ayurveda as a plant that protects both the body and spirit. As an adaptogen, it helps your body adapt to physical and emotional stress. Benefits include balances cortisol levels, improves emotional resilience, supports focus while calming the mind, nourishes adrenals and immunity. Best time to drink: morning or early afternoon, especially during busy or emotional days. Tip: combine Tulsi with rose or mint for a floral, uplifting tea blend. 3. Lemon balm, calm clarity without drowsiness. Lemon balm is a member of the mint family with a light, lemony flavor and powerful calming properties. It gently reduces tension without sedating you, making it perfect for daytime stress or nervous energy. Benefits include soothes the nervous system, promotes mental clarity and gentle alertness, may help reduce anxiety and panic, improves digestion and hormonal balance. Best time to drink: midday or early evening to unwind without feeling sluggish. Tip: pairs beautifully with chamomile or passion flower. 4. Passion flower, the herbal tranquilizer. Passion flower is often called nature's mild tranquilizer. Its calming effect comes from increasing GABA levels in the brain, just like certain anti-anxiety medications. Benefits include eases overthinking and racing thoughts, supports deep, uninterrupted sleep, calms nervous restlessness and agitation, may help relieve symptoms of mild depression. Best time to drink: before bed or during intense stress episodes. Tip: avoid combining with sedatives unless advised by a doctor. Use short-term or cyclically. 5. Peppermint, cool the body, calm the mind. Peppermint isn't just refreshing, it's a cooling nervine herb that helps the body release tension both mentally and physically. While not sedating, it helps clear mental fog and physical tightness caused by stress. Benefits include relieves muscle tension and headaches, reduces gut tension, gas and cramps, clears sinuses and refreshes focus, calms stress-related nausea. Best time to drink: mid-morning or afternoon as a pick-me-up. Tip: add fresh ginger for a digestion-soothing duo. 6. Hibiscus, heart-opening, calm, and blood pressure. Support: hibiscus is a vibrant red flower used traditionally in Africa and Latin America as a cooling, heart-supportive drink. It's rich in vitamin C, anthocyanins, and antioxidants, but also offers stress relief benefits through the heart. Benefits include supports heart health and reduces blood pressure, promotes emotional balance and warmth, cools the body when stress causes inflammation or tension, enhances circulation and clarity. Best time to drink: hot afternoons or after intense work periods. Tip: add rose petals or lemon balm for emotional heart support. 7. Lavender, aromatic relaxation for body and soul. Lavender is known for its scent, but when brewed as tea, it becomes a deeply calming nervous system tonic. It's especially helpful for those who carry stress in the body, as tension, tightness, or restlessness. Benefits include: relieves muscle tightness, especially in the neck and shoulders, promotes deep rest and emotional calm, eases irritability, PMS or mood swings, enhances sleep and mental quiet. Best time to drink: evening wind down or before meditation. Tip: combine with chamomile and lemon balm for a bedtime blend. How to brew the perfect cup of stress relief. To get the full benefits of herbal teas, use dried loose herbs or high-quality tea bags. Steep in covered cup or teapot for 8 to 10 minutes, longer for roots. Always drink warm, not boiling hot. Sip slowly and mindfully. You can also make infused batches. Use 1 tablespoon of herbs per 8 oz water. Steep overnight in a glass jar. Drink chilled or gently warmed the next day. Make tea a ritual, not just a beverage. Drinking tea isn't just about herbs, it's about presence. Create a tea ritual that calms your entire being. Prepare your herbs slowly and with intention. Light a candle or play soft music. Hold the warm cup with both hands. Close your eyes and inhale the aroma. Take 3 deep breaths before your first sip. This turns a simple drink into a sacred pause, and your nervous system will feel the difference. Who should be cautious? While herbal teas are generally safe, please use caution if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Avoid high doses of licorice, passion flower, or hibiscus without guidance. Take medication for blood pressure, anxiety, or thyroid issues. Have allergies to plants in the daisy family, chamomile, echinacea. Always start with a small amount and listen to how your body responds. Final reflection: let the herbs hold you. Stress is a part of life, but so is healing. Herbal teas remind us that relief doesn't have to come in a bottle. It can come from a flower, a root, a leaf, steeped gently in warm water and shared in stillness. Each herb is a message from nature saying, you are safe, you are supported, you can soften. Let tea be your daily reminder that healing can be simple, beautiful, and nourishing. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward natural wellness. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's spread the goodness of nature together. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.